Welcome to the Computer Science Virtual Open Evening Key Information. In this presentation, I'll give you information on what the course entails, the content for both Paper 1 and Paper 2, the key skills required, the entry requirements, and future pathways. So I've broken the content down into Paper 1 and Paper 2, they'll be examined at the end. So Paper 1 is all about computer systems. In this we have input, process, output, the fundamentals of all computer systems. Networks, including network security, network structures, and user requirements. The ethical, legal, environmental, moral, and social issues involved with using computers. Operating systems, including their functions, their uses, the types, and the different structures we have. System software, including memory management, scheduling, the BIOS and device drivers, logic and Boolean algebra, number systems, leading on from binary, hexadecimal, databases, and web technology, looking at HTML and then using a bit of JavaScript. Paper 2 is all to do with algorithms and problem solving. So the main concepts of this is to do with computational thinking. In this we look at abstraction in terms of hiding the irrelevant information and bringing forward what is essential, decomposition, breaking the problem down, and then building things through algorithms and pattern recognition. We mainly do lots through Python programming, although there also is bits with HTML, JavaScript, and SQL. At the end of year 12, you will start a programming project, which will be based mainly in Python. And we look at algorithms to do with data structures using stacks, queues, lists, trees. We also then look at sorting and searching algorithms, a little bit of GCSE, but we'll look further at different algorithms that we can have. So the course is assessed at the end through 2 written exams, structuring Paper 1 through the content I've listed at the beginning, and then Paper 2. Both of them are weighted exactly the same, 40% each. They require both mathematical and English-based skills for the longer written questions, as well as the more mathematical questions to do with number systems and data structures. There's also a 20% programming project, which will start at the end of year 12 and on through year 13, where you will create a program with an interface using Python programming. There's a lot of analysis and evaluation skills, both in understanding the data structures and how algorithms work, and in your project. You'll need to look at the problem, break the problem down, explain how you're going to do it, and then use agile-based programming to produce stages of your program, showing the development you've done, evaluating each stage, and creating a new version. And there's a lot of logic and problem solving to go through, not only just with your programs, but also to do with how the computer systems work and number systems. The entry requirements for computer science are, if you've already done it at GCSE, we need at least a grade 4. If you didn't study computer science at GCSE, that's okay. You can still study at A level. You just need at least a 4 in English and a 5 in maths. It's more mathematically based, so the stronger your maths, the better you'll find it. Subjects that go well with computer science are maths and physics, media, product design, graphics, and business. You could do it with almost any subject, but these are the most common subjects we find that people put with it. And then our kind of future pathways. Now, we've got the advantage with computer science. There are lots of jobs out there, and there are more jobs being created all the time. There's lots of jobs to do with networking and security and cyber security, bits to do with in the military, in medical professions, lots to do with artificial intelligence and robots. There's product design, there's app development, there's things to do with databases. There's so many different aspects of it that can lead you on to careers. There's still lots of different options at university for this to do with either the security or software engineering to do with development. If you're looking more to do game development and learning the programming behind that, universities particularly like a creative subject to go with it, because as long as the coding, you also need creativity to be able to do it. Thank you for listening. Any questions, please email me at searly@caulfields.net, or you can use the chat function now and I'll answer as many as possible. Thank you for listening.